Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel Geetika Tips and Timely Varieties. Today our class is about astrology. The topic sir is explaining about zodiac signs and its importance.
Okay. In the last classes, I have told you about the nakshatras, that is stars, and then padas. And also I have given you how the zodiac signs are related with the different stars. So just brush up the knowledge of stars, padas, and also zodiac signs. Now, how the zodiac signs, 12 zodiac signs are placed in the horoscope. So how to get your horoscope? If you have date of birth, place of birth and time of birth, directly by adding these details in any software, you will get a horoscope. But you should know the background of horoscope. How is it? What are its importance? What are the positions? For that sake, first let me give you the details of zodiac signs. There are 12 zodiac signs, namely Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. So you have to remember all these 4 zodiac signs in the order. You cannot mingle them. You are not supposed to jumble also. They are following the same numbers. So 1 means Aries, 2 Taurus, 3 Gemini and so on. You have to by heart all the 12 zodiac signs in the order from 1 to 12. Then these 12 zodiac signs ought to be by hearted compulsorily. Then I'll show you how they are related in the horoscope. They are given like this in a South Indian chart. The representation of the 12 zodiac signs are represented in South Indian style of horoscope like this. So this is the representation of any horoscope in South Indian side. So usually they follow this. Now how are these zodiac signs in this particular diagram? Instead of writing the names, I'll be writing the numbers as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So these are standards, and also the positions of the zodiac signs are fixed in the South Indian style and they move in the clockwise direction. So 1 to 12 are there arranged in a clockwise direction. These signs are fixed and the places are fixed. Now, so in the case of North Indian style, the representation of zodiac sign or horoscope will be entirely different, and all the zodiac signs are arranged in the anti-clockwise direction. That I will show you later. Okay. Now, so if you say for example 5 is nothing but it is representing Leo. For example 9, it is Sagittarius. So then let's say 12, this is Pisces. So these are the fixed positions for all the 12 zodiac signs. Each zodiac sign is having one lord for it. Each zodiac sign has a lord. For example, now coming to the question here. For example, here this is ruled by Sun. This is ruled by Moon. And this is ruled by Mercury. Already I told you about the planets. Even this house, Virgo, is ruled by Mercury. Then we have Taurus is ruled by Venus, and Libra is also ruled by Venus. Then one is Aries is ruled by Mars. In Hindi it is called as Mangal. And 8 is also ruled by Mars. Then we have Saturn rules 10th and 11th. 10th and 11th houses. Then 9th house is ruled by Jupiter and 12th house is also ruled by Jupiter. So these are the lords representing each zodiac sign in the horoscope of South Indian style. Now when you observe all these things, only Sun and Moon has only one zodiac sign. Remaining 10 houses are distributed among 5 planets. So those are the, now coming to the remaining planets, Rahu and Ketu are shadow planets. They don't have a fixed position in the horoscope. So we have the planets like Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. This half. Again coming from Moon also we have same order. Moon, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn. This is the order. Now usually we say Sun is a king of this whole zodiac signs and Moon is a queen. We consider like this: Sun is a king, Moon is a queen, and then this half in the same order and this other half will be following the order from Mercury to Saturn. So this is the way of representation. Then we will say this is also called as Kundali. Okay. So this is the way of representing. This particular chart of horoscope can be obtained by giving the details of your date of birth, time of birth and place of birth. In any of the software you can get the positions at the time of birth, all the planets in various zodiac signs. Based on that, the astrologer and expert can predict or can say the past and also present and future of a native. So that is we will discuss in future how to predict and all things. Okay. So this is South Indian style of horoscope. Okay. Now, I will tell you the North Indian style of representation of zodiac signs. North Indian style. Because you should know, whenever you come across different horoscope, you should know what is the way of representation of zodiac signs or position of zodiac signs for different styles. That's the reason why I am explaining you even the North Indian style. The positions of zodiac signs will be represented and the shape will be like this. This. So this is called North Indian style. Now you have to say, see this, the numbers whatever I have followed in the South Indian style also holds good like this. 5, this is 6, this is 7, this is 8, this is 9, 10, 11 and this is 12. So whatever the zodiac signs have told you like Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, Leo, Virgo, Libra, Scorpio, then Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius, Pisces. Now when you see the numbering in this type of North Indian style, they go in the anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Now what is the significance of 147 or 159? Like this I will tell you in the next course of lectures. The same thing again here. If you want to say 1. Who is the Lord of 1? Just now I have seen. I told you in the previous session in the South Indian style. Mars. Similarly for this Venus. Then we have 3. We have Mercury. 4. Leo. Sorry. Moon. Then 5. Leo. 6. Mercury. 7. Venus. 8. Mars. Then 9. 9 is what? You are supposed to know the numbers and also their zodiac sign. The 8 is you have 9 Sagittarius. You are having Jupiter, then Saturn and Aquarius, Pisces. Then we have Pisces for this again Jupiter. So the lords of various zodiac signs are also shown for each zodiac sign. This is whenever you come across any chart of your own relatives, of you only. Now because of this idea, now you come to conclude what are the various houses and how the planets are there at your time of birth. From there we will be seeing some of the planets may be occupying different positions. So these are, I already told you, Rahu, Ketu are the shadow planets. They don't have fixed zodiac sign. they will be placed or conjoined with somebody, and then they will be giving the results. So you should know by seeing your horoscope, whether it is in North Indian or South Indian style, you will come to know what are the zodiac signs, how the different planets are placed, where they place. Then you can read from the horoscope what you have got it from your date of birth. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment in the comment box, so that I will be clarifying those doubts in the next session when I do on astrology. Okay, please feel free to comment that whether it is a doubt or not, whatever it is, you try to clarify. Don't build up with the doubts. Try to post your comments so that we can have clarity in the subject, so that at the end of the course you should know that there is a value addition from my side to you. Okay, so hope you have followed my video. If you have any doubts, please post it in the comment box. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for explaining about zodiac signs in South style and North Indian style. Hope everyone understood the class today. So first time who is watching my video, please subscribe the channel for more interesting updates and click on the bell icon so that you will not miss any of the videos which I have updated. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe my channel.